Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So we see that gold had a very strong breakdown with the market open, and from the 1 hour chart we see that the market is creating series of lower high and lower low with multiple liquidity grab, giving a very high probability for gold to drop towards the downside. So before we discuss at what level we can look for potential entry, so first of all, let's quickly look at higher time frame to see overall direction in the market. Looking at the monthly to see, we can see that from the monthly gold from this monthly resistance had a very strong breakdown, and with that breakdown the price currently below this monthly support level, where we saw that from the monthly the price was creating series of higher low, and from that zone we have seen that gold had a very sharp breakdown. Now with that breakdown currently the price is approaching another monthly support. Now at the same time, the way the price is breaking down, we could see that the price will try to break this series of higher low that could lead gold to again 2000 level or even below this level before bouncing up or even breaking down further. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that after previous weekly bullish move this week, once the market opened the price couldn't break the high. Instead we saw that there is a straight drop. Currently the price is approaching this weekless candle from the weekly chart, and I think that we could see a reaction from this level and then bouncing up to the upside for a deeper pullback and further continuation to the downside later. So overall direction, still we could see that gold might remain bearish. Now looking at the daily chart, we see that from the daily time frame, gold previous day, last day of trading week, which is the NFP candle, has a red candle with a long wick at the bottom, and we saw that there was a liquidity trigger here, but the seller has broken that support completely, the price below this daily support level, and we could see that gold dropping down further to break this low. There is a high liquidity in that area, and I think that the price is coming down, even dropping down to this level to create new lower low. Now if we look at the intraday time frame, where we can see the market has formed a typical head and shoulder and complete breakdown from that head and shoulder. Now this is the support level. So far we see the price has completely broken down, and this is a very significant level of support. As you can see, in the past the price has gone up from this support, and also again when the price dropped to that level again has gone to the upside, and we saw another bounce, and finally the price below this level 38 minutes from this time of recording, and we see that the candle is closing below. So you could see that gold is breaking down and creating a new lower low. So if we look at the 15-minute chart to see potential entry, where we can see that locally gold is in a downtrend, there's a big drop, and every time the price is forming series of lower high and lower low, creating a very strong downtrending market structure. Now 2019 and 2018 level is where there is a weekly support. I think that gold, after dropping down to that level, we could see a rejection to the upside, and that rejection might lead gold again to test this support here, support here, support here as a resistance. So this is what I'll be waiting. If we see that a short term buying opportunity after a very strong rejection, we can look for short term long on gold to this level. As it is a long term bearish market, we will be waiting for a break of structure to the upside, and once we see that the price has confirmed that break of structure with the rejection, again we will be looking for going short from those levels with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, like and also subscribe to the channel to support this idea. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.